Hello guys and welcome to SVP. Today we're going to be showing you how to trickle charge your car. This is particularly useful for cars like this that don't see much use over the winter months and end up sitting around. This will keep the battery in great condition, save you buying a new one when the new year comes around. So we'll go and show you what's required. First things first, you need to get yourself a trickle charger. We've opted for the CTEK. Other brands are available. We just think these are the best ones out there. Really good for the money and do the job as intended. This piece here bolts onto your battery negative, positive, and there's a little light on it to show you your charge level. This here is just an extension piece that simply plugs into here, and that means you can put the access point for the charger wherever you like on the vehicle. Tools you'll need: 10mm spanner and a 10mm socket and a ratchet. This will release the terminals and allow you to fit the kit. So let's get on with it. So we're going to be doing this to an Alpine A110. This can be done on any car you like. For us, the battery is located under the front here. Do your own research, see where your battery is, find it out, and then go from there. We'll just open the bonnet on this one now and access the battery. So we'll move on to removing the scuttle panel. This can be quite a fiddle to get out and especially squeeze past the hinges. So you just got to unclip it, the left-hand side's up. You'll hear it pop as it releases, like that. Be very careful of the wings here. It's a bit of a squeeze. Ideally use two people, but slide it out carefully over the wing and then lift it up over the gasket the other side and out. Very tight, but that's the scuttle panel out. We've now located the battery. Find your terminals. Negative marked black, always remove this first. Positive marked red, remove this second, and then also always put this on last. Find this piece here. The negative is marked black, as I just said. Connect this onto your negative and the red one here onto the positive. That is all for that, so we'll show you how to do that now. So we've just finished connecting up this piece to the battery. As you can see, it's bolted up to the negative and positive and it's now flashing. This shows it's got power. We are going to use the extension piece. So we've routed this somewhere under here and just poke out about here. We'll finalize all of this when we've refitted the scuttle, but you basically got to connect that into there like that. It'll make a click and you'll tuck it all down out of the way, tie it all up with some cable ties and dangle that through there, refit the scuttle, and then that's job done. We've now routed through the cable to sit here just on the scuttle panel. We've used some Velcro here just to secure it in place. Remember to always fit this rubber grommet here, or bung. Just pushes in the end into there. That'll protect your connector from any water getting in there, and that'll damage the connector if you do not fit that. It's as simple as just now plugging in your charger. So for this, you'll have to remove the bung. Bring your charger over. Get the end, and plug it in. And then come on your charger. Obviously it depends on your charger you're using, but for us, you literally just have to press the mode button and it will change over to car, just like that. And there you have it. Your car is now connected to your trickle charger. This is a great thing to do when you're storing your car for long periods of time. Saves you lots of money in the long run on new batteries because they don't like sitting around not on a trickle charger. Thanks for watching and see you next time.